Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, we're going to navigate into our settings, and from here you want to scroll down to General and then again scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. And you want to select Erase all content and settings. This will give you info that this will remove basically all data, includes apps and data, your Apple ID or basically account, and the Find My Active location or whatever will be turned off. So we're going to select Continue. Now, even though we just put in a PIN right now, which verifies that that's us, we can also skip backing it up, which is what I'm going to be doing. We are still forced to put in the stupid password for our iCloud. Why did it force us to put in a PIN in this case, if it's going to ask us for even the more secure option here anyway? Apple and their infinite wisdom. Anyway, I'm going to put in my password right here so I can verify this. Okay, so from here we simply gonna select turn off. It's gonna look like it's not doing anything unless I put in the wrong password. Nope, never mind, I put in the correct password. Are you sure you want to erase all media, content, and settings? This cannot be undone. Yes, I do, so I'm going to select Erase iPhone. And this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this will take a couple of minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with the setup screen for our iPhone. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.